Today, we go inside law school because the Salon Law School, they make headlines them few days here. And this one begin where the Chief Justice he write to law school, say make law school allow some people them where they name them get question mark on a reference and other thing them for retake the exam. And law school, Pamela Davis say no, he no dey do am. Then few days later, we see Usai, the Attorney General, Priscilla Schwartz, he write letter to Madam Pamela Davis. Say, he dey ask him for go on leave with immediate effect. Well, Madam Pamela back he write to, he say, he no think say the Attorney General go take that kind of decision they on his own. He say the law not permit him for take that decision they by himself. Well, all man begin weighing by association, this so all man now they make their voice be heard. Some they in favor of the Attorney General, and others they in favor of Madam Pamela Davis. All man they interpret the law how they feel say na so it been supposed for don't happen. It make we the ordinary citizens them we a bit confused. Say if they want them we responsible for interpret the law of the land, not the look see one side in interpretation, then we the ordinary citizen them udayan we dey. Well, make we join Michael Sambola of Radio Democracy 98.1. He do a very good presentation on this particular topic. Make we bring him inside and listen as he dey lay on a table for we.
The Attorney General had no authority under the Council of Legal Education Act to ask the Director for proceed on leave.
We confuse how the big one them we would look up to for fairness, for protecting the rule of law, apparently not the one day where they can violate them.
The public relation officer for the Salumba Association, Tijan Israel Jah, enforcement president for the Salumba Association, Basita Michael, they respond to concern them but the latest issue na the Salon Law School. Action, replacement, disrepute, undermine. Now some of the recent word in that, within are some of the documents them, will come up from different legal institutions them concerning the Salon Law School issue. This start after the 2019 bar final exam, who say plenty people believe say some top official them way close to the system no make am. So say release come out from the Chief Justice Babatunde Edwards where they ask the students them as chairman for the Council of Legal Education for go and take the exam back. Senior legal practitioner we say we so they represent the Bar Association na the Council of Legal Education Yada Williams being quick for check the Chief Justice say by always in a chairman something and day wey enough for do. But na the 16th of October, letter come out from the Attorney General, Priscilla Schwartz, in office, say because of complaint them, where he don't get against the acting director of the law school, he for go leave one thing.
was taken unilaterally without consulting with the rest of the members of the Council of Legal Education, which consist of the Chief Justice, when either the chairman, the AG, the Minister of Education, the Vice Chancellor, the Dean of the Faculty of for a Bay College, one Justice or Judge of the Superior Court of Judicature, and 2 legal practitioners of the Sierra Leone Bar Association, the Director of the Law School, a representative of the Employers Federation, a member appointed by the AG and Minister of Justice in consultation with the Chief Justice. They all that then consist, this body would then call the Council of Legal Education. So any decision where you get for take, we get for do with law school, you get for run and by them people here. In line with that, Mr. Eda Williams writes the letter, criticize the step where the CJ take, allow them people that were affected for go do the reference where in run and by council, which is absolutely within the law and within the law provide for. We just see all of a sudden a letter from the AG, the Assistant Director of the Law School for go on leave on her own. That again raised another concern and worries among members of the legal profession, because that again goes contrary to the Council of Legal Education Act 1989, where they say that na council get the power for appoint the director. So if the council get the power for appoint director, any decision for suspend or for sack or for reappoint for go through council.
You've been listening to Basita Michael, first-time president for the Saloon Bar Association. But if the trend take this line where it takes so, where people are like say, some people in the system not glad with the decision where the director of law school don't not say the Chief Justice right. After some time, the Attorney General right. You go ask question. Ibrahim Tommy, they work for Center for Accountability and the Rule of Law. Carl.
The question is, you even get the power for let you want right, so let's proceed on leave. Then on the first question. The second question is, why you want to let this person proceed on leave? You get complaint, which kind of complaint? Now, complaints relating to crime, now corruption, what it is. If that is the case, ideally, I would have thought that you could launch an investigation, yes, but then run it by the council, let the council, when the appropriate body, make that decision there. In fact, if my complaint relating to corruption, and by the way, I'm not suggesting that there is any complaint relating to corruption, the Anti-Corruption Commission, the way it can properly refer such a complaint to, then they go advise the council as to waiting for do.
Basita Michael thinks say the Attorney General in letter with the point say na examination malpractice. Now he make it think say for investigate and force the acting director na law school for go on leave. That power day, the Council of Legal Education Act no giam.
The proper thing for do now for advise the people that were concerned or where they allege malpractice for address their concerns and make a complaint or petition to the Council of Legal Education, not to the office of the AG, not to the media. So the basis of the letter for say because of those complaints we received, now I make it write this letter on the basis of this letter is a non-starter.
But with institution where you call the name, na respect, and serve the profession, when an example to plenty, waiting make things like this, they happen. Francis Gabidon, now one of the oldest lawyers in a saloon.
Number one, I think the number of students who they go to law school, them boku. But there are many things to sort out. Some people they elect another law school, we're not supposed to do it. Me they tell you, because I teach some of them who they lecture me. They're not getting no business to lecture outside law school. How they reach there, then God know. All them things they go for talk about. They will go for sit down because we left the law school and one for me that way they can themselves, they get a better education. What they happen now is a combination of factors of things we don't go wrong over the years. Then what's inside, I see politics one kind side. And you go back if them pull the law school from politics.
The Saloon Bar Association, na body of lawyer them, where they monitor the principle of the rule of law and serve how the public institution them. They make sure say the whole and fala waiting the country law they say. October 17, the Bar Association be write letter concerning this issue to the Chief Justice. Tijan Israel Jah, now the public relation officer.
Number one, we say that any unilateral action we any member of the council don't take, may them put her on hold until the council as a whole decide or approve such an action or decision. So if an issue crop up, all of the members would have to decide on that vote where they have a quorum. Number two, we say the governing legislation of the council and the Sierra Leone Law School, now the Council of Legal Education Act of 1989. And we say that people them or whosoever are council members and those in administration at law school for strictly adhere to waiting at the provisions of this council act. And number three, we recommend to the Chief Justice the action of the AG and the Minister of Justice, where they ask the Director of Law School for proceed on leave with immediate effect in no justifier legally. So if you tell somebody for do something, you must get a footing in law where they give you power for doing. And finally, because of the allegations of malpractices surrounding the law school, we call on the Chief Justice for set up an independent committee for investigate the allegations in it.
I be expecting we go ask for immediate withdrawal of that letter with an apology, at least. And then we ask that council call an immediate meeting or emergency meeting for look into the letter and for take the greatest exception to the content of that letter because it clearly interfere with their mandate, and for making clear that they not tolerate for 1 second for lay anybody undermine their authority. And when I say anybody, I mean anybody. Now that's the Council of Legal Education Act they're about. The responsibility now lies in them for how we restore trust and confidence in the council, for how we restore confidence in the legal profession.
You've been listening to Basita Michael, when a legal practitioner and self na first time president for the Salone Bar Association. But with the development we don't happen, na big surprise for Lawyer Gabidon for say the council not able to sit down and meet till now.
If one person take power we're not supposed to do, he go give me bad name. Then see how they be me are not proud, they are not like that. I think say the sooner either they get an investigation to it be or let council self meet because the council can meet and take the necessary action. I'm surprised the council self not meet it. I think say the council from it now and try for remedy what will happen before you go out of hand.
But if some of the people then wait for team up as example for the law, one be some of the people them, where the one that where they behind them, go they call them, they remember and say the process where they were used, no they according to the law. That will create plenty worry. People believe say politics get big role inside this issue. We make them they say the issue of politics not get role but the law school and function. The issue of by force look like they now the center of the discussion. As Radio Democracy continue to monitor the situation for the Society for Radio Democracy with support from Princess Fias, Michael Sambola.
We want to tell Michael Sambola thank you for that beautiful presentation day of this topic where we get today. Sierra Leone Law School saga. Who is who? The Attorney General, the Chief Justice, and the Director of Law School. We then say by force now if we go on leave. You don't listen to the presentation. You feel saying a politics now don't enter law school? At the start, you hear what Michael Sambola say. He say, people and they talk say, maybe not because of some people and we get some connection, then go take this particular exam and they don't make them. So because they don't make them, then they find all kind of way make them go inside there for make them. Again, the Chief Justice say, make them when they will not make them, make them go take the exam back. Law school say, no, we'll not agree, let them take the exam. Few days later, the Attorney General say, he get complaint, but Madam Davis, na law school, so he need for go on immediate leave. If you look how this thing they unfold, you feel say some game they play behind closed doors? Eh? And so you feel? Or you feel say, with all the one they will talk, Ibrahim Tommy, Basita Michael, all them people and they will talk. What's you able to get? Again, these are the people we suppose for make we, the ordinary citizen, sabi the law of the land. Now then they accuse one another. Now then they point fingers. Say one person not able for write letter for say una take the exam back, or the other person, one green one, now suppose for write letter say you go on leave. Now we law of the land. We don't want to go back. How then ruling them be done they take place. To now. With now, they want them way for common law school canton lawyers. Who's kind lawyer then will get at the country right now? And who's kind them will they try for prep for tomorrow? I open the phone line. You find waiting Michael Sambola laying a table for we. Waiting na your take about the recent happenings na law school. You think say the Attorney General, but we not get about things there because the one the way sabi the law say he not supposed for do am alone. They need for call council meeting. Council meeting we land say 30 days they not call am. Then say if one person do waiting he not supposed for do. But these are the top officials now the country. So Uda go call shot on them. For say, Madam, this way you do so is not correct. Or for say, Pa, this way you do so is not correct. Uda go call the shot. Eh? The phone lines them open now. Yes, caller, you live on here. You name and who side you call from?
Lawrence Fox, I call from London.
Yes, Lawrence from London. Waiting na your own contribution.
Quick one. A salon. The one that we get your moral authority, you get the legal authority. And then they mess up, so then they mess up the whole system. That's a law way day. How one man will take a decision, we get cancelled. It doesn't make sense. The Chief Justice don't go write letter say you authorize. That's wrong. Because the law day, we don't fail 2 terms or 3 terms, the law stipulates, the law make it clear. The Attorney General no go sit down, he go sit down, go right, say you're suspended, what you do? Because we all follow the trend. The trend started because of layman fail. So because layman fail, the one person for go sit. Layman, because the one person for go sit.
I know how we reach the yes, na allegation dan day, na so people and they talk, but let we just left dan day na ya, and let we not call name. Yes, not call the name, just but you can talk, say some people let we get connection, but let we not call name, please.
Because some people and they get connection. You get now that now in the country, like how you say, what would they put as lawyer? That country have made make you as lawyer. If you get small criminal record, you know that's not lawyer at all. As salon, we country don't degenerate to a society where they talk about vagabond rebels. Now that kind of society we don't turn to. People and they flout the law without regard, with disrepute. You get them because they think they get connection. How that country go before? Now they see If you not take them out of the country, they turn to people in the old cutlass. Sabi that cutlass, eh? They want chap aid, they want chap foot. What you do? Because of that, where they go on. Then so because they want to they look and say for uphold moral principles in the society, and then same one they degenerate the society in that continue. So the fact, okay, that limits, and the fact here is chief justice not supposed for in one grain, like how the other one they say 1 grain in 1 grain. The attorney general not get power for in 1 grain for one. Because you get procedure for bring all the people they need together, then they agree. They say unilateral decision, they don't take us. That's what I mean. So waiting and illegal at that point that they make so. Illegal. Then look at if you look at some Salman, they don't drive them out to institution. Abroad here, so if you get criminal record, you let your lawyer tell you die. It's not possible. Some man they don't drive them out institutions of the state. They're not fit for some lawyer. So long for go to them thing they need. When you want some lawyer, you know for be criminal. I make you see a lot of criminality in the law department. We then see in the above we country so that make people then at the end of the day not trust the judicial system. They lead to court system. Now they lead to that rebel what will be happening, burning of institution, burning of the policeman there, corruption and all greed and all that. That give people the chance.
All right, thank you very much, Lawrence. Thank you. Yes, caller, you live on here. Your name and inside the call from?
Yeah, my name is Brahma. I call from New Jersey.
Yes, Brahma, you get the platform, sir.
Yeah, Triple we tell you thank you for this forum and the opportunity. This one, I listen to everybody. Francis, Gavidon, Ibrahim Tommy, that woman, Basita Michaels. So wait till me pick, me only to show me get. This is not a classic case of corruption. This is not corruption. Because we all know that Salon was born, Salon was grow up. We know what's happen at Salon. But the two make me be disappointed. We all feel to say, feel like this will not stop now the APC government. But it seems as if they transfer come back at this government. It's a disappointment. It's a disappointment. You see, now we always talk this every day. Why make government officials then, they left the institutions then, let them be independent, let them be neutral. The one they more than put for one the institutions there, now they know best. They are the professional heads. Now they know what's in the happen at the institution. Who not leave them alone, let them run the institution. Why make government officials them every time for come waiting? Now make institutions them, they are not functioning. The police, judiciary, this, that, this is not a classic case. This is a classic case. How you one grade, you the Attorney General, done, including the waiting and call, Chief Justice. How you had to go put pressure on a person in exam? If you suspected the person do wrong, why make you get ACC for? When I refer the case to ACC, when I suspect any on the hand business day. I don't understand. We get for left with institutions them, let them be independent, let them be neutral. The one that they let them run out. I disappoint. I'm going to say that then don't stop with APC. I don't know. Salon. I don't know.
All right. Okay, thank you very much, Brahma. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, caller, you live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
Hello, my name is Gugiatu. I call from we.
Yes, Gugiatu, you get a platform.
I tell you, like we Brahma the talk, so like they miss even be a surprise. Although yes, I'm not too surprised that kind of way they really, but waiting at the try for talk like the way how the wire so the work, we be the face no more. You can different from APC. But waiting while they listen how the discussion go na salon, I disappoint because like all waiting the way so they oppose APC. Now then they try for do, but they do it in a corny way. I never understand. Because like when you talk and left the institution, make them work. Who's one on if una say something they go wrong way, una no say no call for. Yes, una can say that kind way they both. How you one great person they go take decision for go suspend person? I never understand. And like when the first caller talk not true, the lawyer there, really for me somebody be lawyer and then part of the wall here in record for clean. Really. So when you be a lawyer, you know what they be a lawyer for. But salon, I don't know. Like when they always talk so with it, then they take we one step before, after that they come 3 steps backward. They all are the same. Una don't oppose them people away, people in the feel say yes, they don't do all kind of terrible things. People then go on a chance. Una they come and face small way. It's not just corruption. You want fight corruption, as soon as they fight corruption, but corruption still there in sauna. People, may God help me continue. May God take control by power.
All right, thank you very much.
We go reach there, but if we not be honest to ourselves, it will take long time, my brother. May God take control.
Okay, thank you. We'll get to. Thank you, yeah. Yes, caller, I live on here. Your name and who side the call from?
Yeah, this is Ayo, the call from years.
Yes, Ayo, you get the platform.
Yeah, I mean, I see looking at the issue of this because the Act of 1989 is pretty clear. It don't state how the operation supposed to take place. You know, this is blatant and politics and corruption are involved. You know, this corruption and politics will infiltrate all institutions of that country and make that country face all this kind of problem. You know, I don't see within the problem we don't understand. They know the act, within the act says, but they still want for violate the act and do things their way. You know, this is just all corruption and political, you know. They need to follow within the act say, you know, the guy cannot do it, they cannot do it individually. It calls for the council. Basita said it and Gabidon said it, the other guy, and himself again. He said the same thing. So I don't see the reason why that guy there or the lady for tell the lady say if we take a immediate leave, you know. He just want to violate, you know, just how they violate the other institutions there. That's my contribution.
Thank you very much, Ayo. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller, I live on here. Your name and who side the call from?
My name is Patrick Safra. I call from Germany.
Yes, Patrick, you get a platform.
Thank you very much. This case is a very complex thing for most of we that we know actually the bottom line of it. The law institution as alone, I think we don't make it tradition. You understand? Some particular people that may take and say, now then get that institution there. If you not belong to them, you know they ever go there. We all don't be at one time victim of the institution, and if you not get connection, you know they do anything. They put you no matter how clever you are, no matter what you deserve or what you don't deserve. And some we all know for say that connected creation and they work there. You understand? Coming to the issue, we actually one a particular person they try for detect to another to let's say to the law institution, we then say like committee and for doing anything. Well, now another sensitive part that back because law nothing is very complex and they repeat this thing. When they make law something the way they counter them, for example, we all get we all human rights, but certain part or aspect of them, the laws and the way infringe them, and they just have a molecule and say presidents they exercise in veto power. So the Chief Justice actually writing this letter saying that one particular person has to go to leave. Just one side of the story now we know.
No, not to the Chief Justice write the letter on the Attorney General, right? Yes, yeah. Yeah,
the Attorney General, the Attorney General, you understand? There might be, you understand, which part of the law in court. We actually need the real particular law we get that power there for doing anything, and there might be another section. I don't know more of Sierra Leone law. I don't know with constitutions, you understand? I know they try to defend anybody here. I just try to say this is a very sensitive issue. Maybe they would don't just take the wrong step. You know what I say. Let the Attorney General come, Chief Justice or whosoever come into the media and explain what's permit them. Because any law we make and just want to counter just like we don't take example to the president. President at times has a veto power to exercise. But I not just know salon law. But when you come to Europe, then get certain things, actually, anything where they make in tools, where they counter them. If this not upon there, and this with reference to this, I have the right or the power vested in me as this, I have the right to do this. They might not know. It might not be doing something in the favor of one party. You understand? What thing they try to do, now they know. But this thing they don't become an institution where they traditionalize them. Not everybody do go there. So if one party don't come and take and say, then left we young people and behind, then it just mess up, let them just do it in a civilized way, then change and let them make a uniform and equal to everybody, let them make it open to everybody. Let them not just turn on to a secret society for saying that this for good, this not for good. We all know for say yes, they may not pull some people in there because of they fail some people that we know. We all don't go inside and they and we call them and we get people that we get relatives, yeah, get brothers there, they don't be part now that make another law, go with sociology, you understand all those things. You understand what I mean? So but this is just too shameful. You understand? When you see big people like big elderly people and put trusses on the end, then they dance. Then they do so. It's just too shameful. Let them just come together because everybody try to protect their own interest right now. This is the type of thing that this line they want to do. They are playing games and we all know that they are playing games. Let them therefore play the interest of the people. Let them therefore gamble. Now this time you have to tell saloon leaders, let them for gamble and they make it too funny. Let them just take the legal right and do the right thing. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Patrick. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller ID live on here. Your name and where you call from?
Hello, this is Ali Mansari. I call from UK.
Yes, Ali, you get the platform.
Yes, first of all, thanks to UWA for opening that platform like this through, for giving this opportunity for expressing thoughts. You see, one of the most saddest things I can say, this particular institution are one of the institutions that make up a country, right? Because if you check on the legislation, when they are ready for interpreting the law, we are thinking they hope for no better cost support, right? And I believe from the take-word only from David and Batista and the others, right? They're not a lawyer, but I believe particular institution like this, one person not get the power of take on control. You see, not to the same order from the above, they back that person for them to take on them. Because it's so clear, right? When you take on a decision for call for exam, whether you take the exam, because if you say no, this is not a law, not a particular institution in law, they decide for 10, right, a particular person for let go. And sending people in Nasalon police, not to use things to double. Whenever they want just to get up any institution, government institution, when orders from the above don't come out for take get rid of you, then they think telling going. I guarantee double from that day, they ever come back to that position. Any other sector, I say the next year. So we know them here. Now, people now only understand. I know so many people that when they stand on leave, they don't do nothing for more than say they go leave. Take day they leave. They not say nothing for come back to the police. They not say that they want to do. Not say anything. So they will get the way for them open up and access for people that will get an higher level link for able to get into the law school. But we don't fail. And I want to institution. As long as you don't fail, and let's say them do it for you, they will continue for fail you because they already know say this now we the main and the time put this person come. If you don't come to them, go do other things. So now that's not me own take double. They don't do new things. They just take man away. When they go try to send other person go put the go buy to which thing they want. Now they don't begin let them human say human get APC, blah blah blah. No, let's focus also put anything to politics. And you just forget politics. You go back Christian politics. It's very sad for us. Let's go there, please. And let's go direct to the right direction.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, caller. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah. Yes, caller, ID live on here. Your name and where you call from?
This is Junior. I call from the Middle Desert.
Yes, Junior. You get a platform. What's in a contribution?
In the middle of desert. Yeah, my own contribution is that, it's pathetic for we Sierra Leoneans, for the whole world, for the listening to something like this going on for a country where they try for stand for the justice where people let me think say, we forbid where the United Nations spend a lot of money for make things happen, for build all those institutions. But like, I tell you this, the United Nations just spend money in Sierra Leone for like people we feel say they're so selfish and greedy. This institution, when at the Justice Department, I'm telling you, I know say this thing therefore happen. If somebody don't fail, it's simple. Initially, when you fail the law school, you fail. Maybe you get one more chance to do it. And if you get a chance to make it, you make it, then you are go. Then people then try, go, you fail, go, you fail. And then this is, if you're not able to make them, find another job. The lawyer institution don't become a business school of radicals. Wherein all kind Jack and Jim want to become a lawyer for just destroy the laws of Sierra Leone. And I'm telling you, this thing therefore continue if we the Sierra Leoneans them not stand firm towards this. All kind of Jack and Jim won't become a lawyer. Now we cry the judiciary, oh then this, but we sit down. Now look at we the thing that before we face now. What thing we they do? Follow stand up against this thing, say the justice for prevail. We for leave the school, when a law school, for them select people them we deserve for be a lawyer, for deserve for serve Sierra Leone. Because being a lawyer, you're like an ambassador for the country. You defend people, innocent people. If becoming a lawyer, it become like fighting within that same institution. I'm telling you, we're gonna head up for the same thing where we come up, wherein people go to keep on enforcing the wrong people upon we, whether you want them or not, they go keep on enforce the people in the power. I'm saying the truth. The UN don't spend a lot of money on a salon for reform Sierra Leone constitution. But I'm telling you, all na zero. Waiting people when they don't talk na radio, then na back home there, na just zero. Deceive the people, they will not get opportunity for know the truth about waiting they go on at the country and about the truth waiting they happen internationally or they affect Sierra Leone. People not get the chance to know about this. And I'm saying this again. This thing where they go up so not get for born good picking a salon. If somebody doesn't deserve, he should wait and find another profession. We all start our profession, we're going to school. Like me. People will think I've been thinking I will become a lawyer. But upon going, I know say, not to me calling. I find another area where I be me calling. I go into the technology field. Where are they excel now? Now, are they? Because I don't want to think of going back, thinking the government for take care of me. The problem now, Sierra Leone, people they find an easy way to make money, which is the law field. The law field has been corrupt that people, all kind of people, I get friends, brothers, them, where they all are lawyers right now. But I'm telling you, the law field don't become a hustle ground for hustlers. Wherein the 419s, all they become a lawyer. Crying down senior lawyers, crying down irreachable lawyers, because of them come into the law field, they can cook way where they feel they fight corruption into education. It's the same corruption they're going now into the same places. My brother, if we as Sierra Leonean, they will not stand firm. For make, who do not deserve to be a lawyer. If you have any records, wherever feels a criminal record towards Sierra Leone, you not deserve to be a lawyer. You know for be a lawyer, regardless of your political background. That this, I get for say to me, Salon people, yeah, unalo we stand firm. We not tire for sending voices them. Let people they know see, we tire for dictatorship. We tire for intimidation. If you are not a lawyer, don't force yourself to become a lawyer. Because tomorrow, these are the lawyers who will be taking bribes, turning rights to wrong, eating the poor innocent people money, and bringing the country to chaos. Now that's I get for say. Please, let the hands off and let them leave the law school for run the institution and out and fix them for run up. Period. That's the I get for say thanks, AAA.
All right, thank you very much, caller. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller, can you dolly background, please, for turn down the volume?
Yeah.
Your name and who the call from?
Okay, AAA, this is Harun at the call from Boston.
Yes, Harun, you get the platform.
Okay. This problem here with the right now on floor where they talk about that lawyer there, the business, the law school and everything. People, it's hard for that country there. Because them products and the way they get so way it be to say some they come on like say me a lawyer. But you they see the way how then they crook people then they get case then why I come out say, hey, I can represent you, then take the money. They know they even attend court. They know they attend court. All the work no money for just no more day. they do them backing with people. Good. If you look at this country, this America, they get the young place where if lawyer get problem with clients, they take that case seriously. Sometimes that they need for them to take it from them. But I know we not get that. Who said would they complain that this is not the problem? Everything turned upside down. Who said would they complain? It's really sad for the country. So waiting that the thing is that if at all now then they try for see which way where them will go for make sure that they go straighten things in that country there, especially the law school, where for be some side where people left for be proud, an institution where people left for be proud of in the commodity kind way it's sad. So what me they say no more is that we'll not give support to whosoever we can for push them here for let them straight in, especially in the law area. If you see the law broken, the country don't bend for real. It don't bend. Anyhow, una go do and I go work. If you see the constitution that always they make, we lawmakers they go to parliament, na the same thing no more. This one great 1991 constitution, and then they mention any side, straighten. That's the way they come up. It's a talker that your own thing we've been come with way, then they try for really see how they will go through the constitution small, let them straighten up. It not work because of the here. So it's just so sad. Waiting me they say no more law give support to whosoever we want for straightening the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Aaron. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller, you live on here. You name and who side you call from?
My name is Steven. I call from California.
Yes, Steven, you get a platform.
Yeah, well, I don't know, but I know the topic, you don't narrow onto the law saga where they go on. But I think the probably organ of the country, my brother, I will make you know this. Now a compounded one, sometimes we one party in a power because of the division we get because of politics. Each time one person criticizes the other, they say, "Oh, now this belong to. Oh, now this belong to." And then they destroy the country, brother. We don't so much, allow this division to be polarized. Not only law, every other facet of, or whether the fabric with the big land nation is being. I don't know, it's been tampered with, it's been compromised, whichever way. You go now education at the same thing. You go now any side, you go now the hospital, everywhere. We don't compromise, we don't get class again, we don't reduce the country to some kind of level, not everything again is not by hard work. It's about how you smart for play around the system, how you smart for bypass the system. If you want to prosper, that's what you do, So so it's, I don't know, like I say now this year to the law business, but the state of affairs in our country is sad, integrity, again, not morally acceptable for do any kind of thing, in as much as you get powers that be, then back you. That's all, And the society, the young one, they would breed up, they invest them from the university level. The other day I tell person let's show what we the malpractice of or exam malpractice, it starts right away from the house them, It starts all the way from how the society don't break down. In the society we say, mama, papa, actually know the value for education. We from the one that begin pay for picking from where they primary school. They fail and call teacher pass them. It continue for go. That person will beat away, take go school. Of course, how the was and the better how him in there, he can do anything. If for Becker, you don't need for pass for make go SS. If they fail Becker, he go SS. Once we reach there, of course, we know the classroom exam and then they go sit here among the others. You go sit exam in a classroom. You go to university. So tell me, somebody who don't assimilate all that kind of system into himself and make him way to the top. So tell me which value you get for anything which I can put up. There's no way. Plus, you go to university back, it dictating way, or no lecture, the most not get no more ground for it, not get integrity, when they begin and go, I don't know, but it's just open, find way, you can't see them, maybe they get grade, you come out at the end of the day. So, you build like a book, then you send them back. So tell me, the cycle repeats, the cycle repeats. So now the same thing, and they spread everywhere. We don't cripple everywhere, Sometimes we need to go as a country, not begin watch how how fast we don't degenerate. Why when I come to them, they don't catch up with the rest of the world. We start with it. Look, Rwanda now what start the war, Now we say, okay, they only done the boil down before 1994 genocide. Okay, we just start 1992, so we don't the boil down. But look, we start and don't catch up. It's about the changing the mindset of the people. It's about reconditioning the generation, When you do that, then you go able to invest into the people. The people then go able to see, this is not we versus them, but this is for our own progress. But in the country right now, just like they say, people see the grab today, do what they do, because they're in the interest of your own political party. This bad grab, and where this party come, they don't get one agenda when they go to for the progress of the country. The person can't reduce it can't reverse. I say because they can't get glory, but afterwards now forget a good name. So they may either opposition or the incumbent, they all listen what they do sometimes. I just, people just do. I'm like, we are living for the day, We need to do things on long terms, So, like, I don't know, but it disheartens me some of what they are some of them stories, These are enviable places. People, young people, they aspire for be. But now look, all kind. Jack and Jill, they go to jail account, they say, all kind manner of people that they go there. So, and looking at, I don't know how they take most of the time, but looking at the system, even passing the exam now, some man say, even if you fail, then fail me because I just so son, and then fail me because I not belong to this party. It's just like, how to reduce the country to that? If everybody get integrity, if everybody do things at the right way, if somebody fail, why would you have to look at that person for that? Yeah, we only eating at the inside and then the overseas, the structure now, we want to go for driver license, which he do. I like not Trump speaking. He has to go to driving school. When he fails, he fails, and then they even dream and say, then fail me because of the papa and this, then fail me because of that. No, that's the system. But as I was saying, I say I want driver license. I don't need for call my salary. Yeah, money, driver license, they can't give me, even also be drive. So you see, all them saying they cause the problem. So like, you brought that country problem, like I say, a compounded. We really need for sit down and rethink. We really need for sit down and recondition the society. If not so that we are not going anywhere. We go start and it reverse again. We go start, we reverse again. That's what that was on the part. 1961, we don't get power up to now. We start with it. Tell now, we're not able to govern ourselves. Tell now, we're not able to sit down because of the society, they keep people down, keep people down. So the one way they down, they're not able to think and understand. So that's why you can grab even person for you a good one for destroy. You go get 10,000, they go vote against something we can't destroy in progress. So man, the society, that country, like, I don't know, but okay. Really, it's sick. It's sick. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much, caller. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller, you live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
My name is Cosmo Joseph Nylander, and I call from Media, Pennsylvania.
Yes, you get a platform. What's in your contribution?
My contribution towards this program, I guess, for coming two ways. One, the law school need really a reform because with justice system back in 2000 when they sacked Sam Sumana, everybody we don't lack integrity in the institution, and of course, the same individuals that would come out from this law school. And then we go get that particular decision. They say it was constitutional to remove the vice president. So right there was a problem, and the need for there need to be a solution. You understand? And as we go, as the country they evolve, why would they think say Salona they really do better in security, in education, in social security? Now, one thing, the justice system is doomed. It's poor. No matter how you look at it, whatever political party you belong to, everybody knows that the justice system in Salon needs a very serious reform. And without any good justice system, you just get forget Banana Republic. There's even your democracy not going to be outrightly correct. Everybody knows that. All the countries are going to do well. Like when people they take example from Rwanda. Look, why making the progress? There is this field where they don't get out of the justice system, where they make them do very well. And that's the pillar. Now the pillar that will hold everybody together. If one man, like the president, come and talk, say, this is wrong, then he gets away with it, what are you saying? Next time, the other person will go and do the same thing over and over and over and over and again. And that's not one. Now, the point is there that the people are waiting at the system, they actually take advantage of the system. Now, law comes to the massive failure. Now, this law school. Now, this kind of failure, we will not ever see them. You understand? And then we say, Salon now a developing democracy. Again, for take we maybe 50 or 60 years for law to stabilize with democracy and the institution will hold it together. Now this justice system. And we know certain same the way you go to university in Salon. If you not get certain name, you know they come on as a lawyer. Everybody knows that. That's a time memorial, not something that we don't build upon. So the system is rotting right from there. And I don't see nowhere in the world where you get a massive failure of students. People do not come together and ask why. And they are very proud for release then can result in day. Now, something needs to be done. And if it's really good, I'm really good where this thing happens. So let me say, if we start to look at political parties, then we left ourselves in the hands of these politicians, then that's for their own selfish gains. Then they recycle an institution whereby they don't even make their own picking and prosper. At the end of the day, this same picking that they come on at this law school, now they get for come up and sit down by the poor man, their own picking and they control the system, does the rotting. Let there be a level playground. And not ever they exist as alone. Not even that. You go to Jala, you go to FBC engineering department, all various departments, they don't mark people and wait for graduates. Where they are under certain protection. It is there. We went to universities in Sierra Leone, we know. So this is in place. I'm not saying what's no more maybe they say, let it not be political, but the entire justice system now Salon need a very serious scrutinizing and reform. If not, that country just remain like how it is. People they just kind of do their own stuff and go. So and they say like when they take action for like let somebody go leave, they're not there for solve the problem. If even the woman go leave, they're not there for talk say well the people that they don't left, therefore we very much successful. How they go to tell that? It's just the same cycle. So if this now something we go by, if really we are a patriotic Sierra Leoneans then, because we'll be very loyal to our constitution and our political party, we'll be very much for stand firm and make sure they the right thing done. So the question they say, this particular law school, this result is a disgrace to themselves, to the law school, to the institution of Sierra Leone, to all of us in the country. This is a very big disgrace and we need a very, very serious reform. You understand? So I will let the program. I'm very happy you give me the opportunity. Thank you so much and God bless you.
God bless you too. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller, your name and who the call from?
Yes, hello. This is Janet Masamusa. I call from the United Kingdom. Yeah. So, well, what I'm saying here is that the Sierra Leone Law School, they need to do an overhaul, clean up there, bring in staff the way to come on other side there. I'll give you a good example. I got few friends that were lecturing at university now this country also. When they go law school in Salon, then fail them against. So, I don't really understand which are the criteria on which they fail people the way they come on here. Because when we look at the material, the way that they use it, and we don't study online with some of them lost people that want to become lawyers now. We find out, say, the law school, the material that they use, they're far below what they use here. We're quite advanced to them, But when we go there for go take exam, we party them. Even recently, when you got people who study in England now, top universities in England. We go study and then fail them. So we don't understand what's in the appeal at law school. I think to say, this problem forget the government and other institutions, the legal council, of course, for say, may they re-examine this university. Then get for upgrade the material, first of all, And there's so much going on, the politics for say the Attorney General suspending a staff of the university, the law school. And for me, it's unheard of. But again, I don't understand. I don't know the nitty-gritty of that action the way the Attorney General take. So what I'm saying here, I study law in England also, and me no say I go proud for go Sierra Leone and go me law school in Sierra Leone. Become a lawyer in my own country. You just say, we be small today. When you talk about law school in Sierra Leone, now big thing, all man they respect you. But what waiting? You know, so the like impression we grow up with. When we come to England, we say, you know what? Let us go to school here. When we return to the country, they go respect we. You know, we could go do a pro bono work, you know, for the public good. Go take cases then from people and we're not gonna get money for big time lawyers and stuff like that. But what happens to us when we party that initiate and fail them? Some man gains. You know, so this failure of business at this school where 66 or 90 people and fail or whatever, I don't understand. They need to re-examine the school. What is going on?
And before we left you for go, you think, say, people
Yes.
for begin ask for the transcript and ask for the papers,
Yes,
make we see
absolutely.
exactly. Because I think
Yes,
that's one thing we
definitely.
should do. Where with all this
Yes, we
massive
should.
failure that is coming out,
Yes.
I think say it's high
Yes.
time we begin for ask for them papers. Then they. So if you fail me, let me
Absolutely.
see where I went wrong,
Yes.
and I can able correct myself.
Absolutely. And again, Seth, you know what's in England, so if you fail, you paper and any kind of thing, then they call you, you know, well, you get right for appeal against that paper. So say, well, you know what, you don't fail me, I want for singing paper. And then they get independent people for come, look at that document, look at that you paper, exam paper there, and then they go through them. And then they call you and say to you, okay, you have a ground, you get grounds for appeal, and so can't see we can't see we look them. You know, and this is not happening in Sierra Leone. Once the school don't say you don't fail, you are finished. You know, so you don't really know what to make you fail. Nobody's telling you anything. How possible can be lecturer in a university, city university in London? Anybody we don't happen in England go know what's in that university they mean. Go salon, go fill exam, they pass some of them. For what? What did somebody tell me recently? They say we give you all your paper, work them. You can come back and regurgitate. We don't regurgitate in the United Kingdom. We apply. You understand legislation, you interpret them, and you apply them to the case study where they give you. We know they call and go put on a paper and pass and call we say we name. We don't do that around here. So that whole law school day, believe me, my brother, I am so angry. I really want something to happen to that law school. Men and get international bodies and when they come, they can run the law school a little bit. Listen, now England, you're an exam now so. When we get salon people and we don't sit in a lawyer at salon and kind of they want to practice lawyer. They take that exam, then they fail. They're not up to standard. This is the problem. You get Nigerians and Ghanaians, they come here, they take that exam and then pass. Because we can do the law school in Nigeria, the law school in Ghana, they're at par with the United Kingdom. Sierra Leone is below that. So we need to look at the university, you know, holistically and say something is wrong in here. Una upgrade on material. Una get an openness about una studies. Somebody feel like we say, I want to see my document. I want us independent body. You know? So this is my own case, my brother. I feel to say that allow people to come in the United Kingdom for go study in a salon and become lawyers there and help your people. And we don't go there as pro bono. We're not going to go charge almost millions so people will not get money. Thank you very much for your me what I so.
Thank you very much, Kola. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, well, the phone line don't lock now to yeah. But I think say just like waiting will be the talk just now. I think say it's high time make we get even if we want to think and say about the massive failure for even the WASCE, maybe it's high time we begin for ask for the transcript and get independent body that will they check. Yes, we not go just blame say, oh, yes, na spy, na examination malpractice and just give them like that. But it's high time we begin for check and see the reason where outside the people and fail. So then go able prep the next one the way they come say, oh, now yeah, them be missed, now make them be fail, so that the next one then go able pass on. And for the law school, for School of Medicine and all these ones them, I think say it's high time we begin for do that. And we just hear you say, you come out salon, you can you fail. You come on you go salon, you fail. I don't know if na fire salon, they fire back at say because then Canada they're not able to make them. I mean the UK, they're not able to make them. Then we then go back na salon back they pay the debt. But a lot of people for this evening don't talk say salon law school need an overhaul. Salon Law School need serious attention. Salon Law School need for be independent. Politics not for come inside it. But again, how then the practice? How we can able to get rid of the little bitty things them we did it. We're not supposed to did it. Let's say now, let's say just like how they want and they say, okay, the Attorney General a mistake and also the Chief Justice a mistake. So if them people and they mistake, what's in the way forward? Because that one they say, they go on leave because this one no get right for tell them. Then they be don't tell them, they say they want them way for let them go take the exam back. He say they do them. Now they always go come on. Now accusation of exam malpractice come inside. They say okay, because of that, go on leave. He say no. Now other people then they suggest say if exam malpractice come in, you say they only complain to you, then call anti-corruption. Make anti-corruption can handle the matter. For say people then they try for work emotionally, or now the law they want to take and make sure say they interpret them fully, and now they then get caught up and misunderstand. But if they say that council for meat, then they need for meat. But again, who's going to call the shot? Because the two people they wouldn't say mistake now. Now the two are like by them. Now then they say mistake so. Inside the council, I know they talk about the one the way you don't say no, this is not right down there. Inside the council, who is going to call the shot on them? Say no, wait till do so, that's wrong. Not also you're supposed to do them. You need to follow this step, this step, this step. Even if you don't want to do them, then just go the right way. If even they say for go on leave immediately, then let the council sit and the council take the decision and then do them out for do them. Then that time they no go say you no get right for can't tell me. As long as the council don't sit. Again, we na the citizens them. We na them we they look up to for interpret the law. Make them not confuse we pass how we confuse right now. We just hope say in the coming days, this one go pass over, and we go begin to say some cleansing don't begin take place inside the law school. Uda for gode, na for gode. Uda not for gode, not for gode. If they say na 2 try you get or 3 try or 4 try, when they tries then they don't done, hey, go find other thing do. But again, just like I said, the lawyers then go salon now. And then get the big motorcar then, and then get all them big land them because when they don't fight case the way able, most of the people now the West there, then the diaspora people we see them go, now motorcar then they go with them first case done, they hand over give the lawyer, they say okay, well, fight for 30 acre land, oh don't cut you get 15, me get 15. These are the now so it happen deal. That's what it happen. So even the common man we're not able to get. He had for make you get that team up for her. Because right now, then all I read how they graduate, how they take the exam, how they pass, maybe, so then they try for full up all Lendi. If just what the past regime, I mean the court system, now they talk. Just watch. What's happen? How things unfold. Then watch right now. So we need a clean sheet. Make we start proper. And it's an opportunity now, since the conversation has started, because of what happened so that we go correct going forward. The one the way fail. The one the one retake. if you know say you no able make am again, fair know that thing do ya? Let the one them where they go inside it, go through the process where they come out. We able knock with chest as a country, say yes. But it's like say everything that has to do with exam now as alone, it don't corrupt. As long as na exam, it don't corrupt. So because of that, it's a difficult one for the country. This phase where they right now, it's a difficult one. Francis Gabidon don't tell us even some of the lecturers they not supposed for the lecture day. Then what are they doing there? How them pass it and become lecturer inside it? What's in the criteria they would meet? Who don't are the one that would approve? So even in self where they talk so, we they blame them because if you see say this person not for the lecture na the lecture, then blow the whistle. Then call the shot. Not to waiting this don't happen now. Now they say even some of the way they inside they say if they see there a lecture there, they're not supposed for the day. Then what are they doing there? And you say self na part of day. So it make one feel like say just like I say so, like I see say na politics na one they come inside. Then maybe it's that make you not even call say you not so even supposed for there. You know able ask questions say who that approved Andy for making the lecture na ya. But when something happen, we're all ready for talk. The system for fix. The direction for be the correct one. So that at the end of the day, we're going to say we get a better country, and as long as the judiciary of the country, as long as the judiciary of the country, it get bought, that country, it will be a difficult one for Timap. We only talk about the West. You know what you do? Because when they find you guilty of something, you say no say if now you do them, then go catch you, then go prove them. And when they find you guilty, you they pay the consequence. Whereas now, if we in judiciary not able for aligning itself to that way, it will be difficult one. It will be difficult because person can go say if you lop you know say where you go find lawyer then shape the money say I they will lop this person 10,000 I they give you 5,000 me take 5,000 line then go fet all kind with it then go win you. What you do? Because of the crook na the system. Now we go lock today on program. We know say Salone go rise again. And another belief day make we there every day. Even though sometimes it make you wonder, say who's how we they go. But the good thing is we able to point out the problem them. That's the good thing. Because they say, for make you able for change, you get for acknowledge, say then yadi. Even though we acknowledge say then yadi with you, but we know say with time, as long as persistently we continue for the talk button, we go make it turn something normal. The good part. We go there back tomorrow. Till we meet again tomorrow. Trifule say, tata.